Did you know that there's one thing that might actually help you if you end up getting the flu? So, the big difference between getting and having the flu versus a cold is that when you have the flu, typically you do have severe body pain. So, studies have shown that if you take an elderberry extract within the first 48 hours of getting any symptoms, then it can help reducing the symptoms of your flu. But this might not help if you're an individual that has lung conditions, so just be aware of that. And if you are looking to stock up on elderberry syrup this holiday season, then I have two great companies that are local in Metro Detroit that I love. The first one is called Elderberry Fairy, and she's one of my dear friends, and she's a nurse, which I love. The second is Air Thumb, and if you guys know, they carry all of our CBD products in their stores. They have several retail locations all around Metro Detroit, and they also make an elderberry potion for you guys to try out. Share this video with a family or friend that might be sick right now that could benefit from taking elderberry extract within the first 48 hours of their symptom.